We know that you are irreplaceable. You build, repair, protect, and move. You do the work that hardly anyone sees, but everyone depends on. We see that your work creates opportunities for today and for future generations, and that's what pushes us to do better. We're also aware of the need for profound change. We know we need to address resource scarcity, secure fair conditions, and rethink solutions for a resilient future. That's why we're committed to making better choices, not just now, but in the long run. That's why we strive to work with durable materials, carefully selected partners, and production methods we can stand behind. We do it for you, who push our products to the limit, for those who make them, and for the planet they are made on. Our sustainability strategy helps us to raise the bar for ourselves, our industry, and the workwear products we deliver on 37 markets, producing over 4.7 million products. Our holistic approach to sustainability is built around 4 impact areas: performance, materials, climate, and collaboration. Our assortment is built on real user needs, with up to 70 trouser sizes and a claim rate as low as 0.15% of total sales. And we are steadily transitioning to preferred fibres across our product range. By 2024, 42% of fibres sourced by weight were preferred. We're on a journey to net zero. By 2024, we reached 70% of our 2030 target. We cut Scope 3 emissions by nearly 29%, at the same time as our turnover grew by 16%. And these numbers are clear proof that we're decoupling emissions from growth. In 2024, all our direct suppliers, representing 100% of total order value, signed the Hultafors Group's Code of Conduct. In 2024, 92% of the spend with our direct suppliers in high-risk countries were covered by an audit program. SNICKERS Workwear. Always choose better.